Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel AK Agarwal Aptitude. I am Pratiksha Agarwal here to teach you non-verbal reasoning. Now let's see the first question. So here's the first question in front of you students. Here we have to find the appropriate answer for option number C. So as you can see, a new line segment is being added in every step. So in B, if there are two line segments, then there will be three line segments in option number C. See, every option in the answer figure is having three line segments. So now what we have to see is we have to see the position of these dots. Okay, so students, here a new dot is being added in every alternative step. Means if a new dot is being added in option number B, then there will be new dot in option number D. Okay, so in option number B and option number D, a new dot is being added, while in option number C and option number E, the dots from the previous figure are moving in a certain pattern and no new dot is being added. So now what is the pattern in which these dots are moving? So I'll show you the pattern. So this is the pattern in which these dots are moving. So in B, we have a dot here in the middle and a dot here at the top of the line segment 1. So now what I'm doing is I'm just naming these line segment. So let's suppose this is line segment 1 and this is line segment 2. Okay, so this is line segment 1 and this is line segment 2. So what will happen in figure C? The dot from the top will move to its right and come here at the top of line segment 2, and the dot in the middle of the line segment 1 will move ahead and where it will reach at the top of line segment 1. So what we observe is in option number C there will be three line segments, and the line segment 1 and line segment 2 will have the dot at the top. Okay, so see, there are three dots. So option number 1 is not our answer. Now, option number 2, this is line segment 1, this is line segment 2, and the dots are there at the top. So we got our answer as option number 2. Okay, now let's see the answer. See, we got our answer as option number 2. Students, I hope you understood the question. It was a tricky one, I know. So I thought it will be good to make you familiar with these type of question. If you have any doubt, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. Now let's move on to the next question. So here's the next question in front of you students. Students, here you have to see that there are three faces, the top face, the left face and the right face. Now what we observe is that the alphabet on the top face is four alphabets ahead of the alphabet on the top face or the corresponding face of the previous cube. See, for better understanding, I brought you this alphabet table. So here, see, on the top face in option B there was alphabet L, which was four alphabets ahead of the alphabet which was there on the top face of option A. So four alphabets ahead means, see, in the top face of option A we were having H. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we got fourth letter as L, means four alphabets ahead of H is L. So we get L at the top face. Similarly, four alphabets ahead of F is J and four alphabets ahead of C is G. Now we have to find the four alphabets ahead of P. So in the next option, the top face will have the four option ahead of P, which is T, and the left face will have four alphabets ahead of N, which is R, and the right face will have four alphabets ahead of K, which is O. Okay, so the top face will have T, the left face will have R, and the right face will have O. So we've got our answer as option number 3. Students, if you see option number 3 and option number 4, what is happening? Alphabets are same, T, R and O, T, R and O, but their positioning is different. So you have to also take care of uh, which face you are dealing with. Okay, if you are dealing with the top face, do check whether the alphabet you have seen in the top face is there on the top face or not, because sometimes in a hurry you just see, okay, T, R, O, just let's mark the answer as R. let's mark this as our answer, but this will be wrong because T is there on the top face and not on the right face. Okay, now let's see the answer. See, we got our answer as option number 3. So students, that's all for today. I hope you liked this question and understood it. So please like this video, subscribe my channel and do share it with family and friends. Thank you.